10 volcanoes that could erupt anytime. Number 1, Mount Erebus, Antarctica. Mount Erebus is an active volcano, the second highest in Antarctica, after Mount Sidley, and the southernmost active volcano on Earth. The volcano has been active since about 1.3 million years ago and has a long-lived lava lake in its inner summit crater, which is a balmy 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit. It has been present since at least the early 1970s. Number 2, Ibeco, Paramushra Island, Russia. Ibeco is a highly active volcano located on the northern end of Paramushra Island, Kuril Islands, Russia. It is one of the most active volcanoes of the Kuril Islands. 11 eruptions have been recorded between 1793 and 1991. This volcano is quite beautiful to look at from above, thanks to the turquoise crater lake at its summit. Number 3, Mount Cleveland, Alaska. Though volcanoes might not be what come to mind when you think of Alaska, this is the site of a volcano that has erupted many times over the past 20 years, most recently in 2016. Mount Cleveland is the only volcano in the US that the United States Geological Survey has listed under watch, the second highest warning. Today, the Alaska Volcano Observatory monitors activity at Mount Cleveland using satellite imagery. Cloud cover often obscures the volcano, which makes many events difficult to follow. Number 4, White Island, New Zealand. Whakaari, White Island is an active andesite stratovolcano situated 48 kilometers from the east coast of the North Island of New Zealand. A large eruption occurred on the 9th of December 2019, which resulted in 22 fatalities, including 2 people who were missing and ruled to be dead by a coroner. Number 5, Volcán de Colima, Mexico. The Volcán de Colima, 3,820 meter, also known as Volcán de Fuego, is part of the Colima volcanic complex, consisting of Volcán de Colima. It has erupted more than 40 times since 1576. One of the largest eruptions was on January 20, 1913. Number 6, Mount Yasha, Vanuatu. Near Fiji, in the South Pacific, Mount Yasha became famous when it was observed by Captain Cook in 1774. Visitors should remain alert to warning signs as it can erupt with minimal warning. Mount Yasha is an easily accessible active volcano, and is a major Vanuatu tourist attraction. The Vanuatu government monitors the level of volcanic activity in the interests of the public, both tourists and locals alike. This monitoring is carried out by the Vanuatu Geohazards Observatory. Number 7, Pachaya, Guatemala. Pachaya is an active complex volcano in Guatemala, which first erupted approximately 23,000 years ago and has erupted at least 23 times since the Spanish conquest of Guatemala. It rises to an elevation of 2,552 meters. After being dormant for over 70 years, it began erupting vigorously in 1961 and has been erupting frequently since then. Number 8, Kilauea, Hawaii. Kilauea is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. Historically, it is the most active of the 5 volcanoes that together form the Big Island of Hawaii. The volcano is between 210,000 and 280,000 years old and emerged above sea level about 100,000 years ago. Its most recent eruption began on September 29, 2021. Number 9, Mount Stromboli, Italy. One of the most famous and active volcanoes in the world, Mount Stromboli makes up one of the Aeolian Islands off the coast of Italy, only accessible by boat. The volcano has erupted many times and is constantly active with minor eruptions, often visible from many points on the island and from the surrounding sea. Number 10, Mount Merapi, Indonesia. Mount Merapi is an active stratovolcano located on the border between the province of Central Java and the special region of Yogyakarta, Indonesia. It is the most active volcano in Indonesia and has erupted regularly since 1548. Smoke can often be seen emerging from the mountaintop, and several eruptions have caused fatalities.